Welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you exactly how to delete Windows Update files so your system stays clean and optimized. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer, which is the main tool for browsing files and folders, and it's where we'll access all the Windows Update data. Step 2. In the left panel, click this PC and go to the drive where Windows is installed, usually local disk C, because this is where the system stores update files. Step 3. Open the Windows folder, which contains all the core system files including updates that Windows downloads automatically. Step 4. Scroll down and open the SoftwareDistribution folder, as this is where Windows temporarily keeps update files before installing them. Step 5. Open the download folder inside SoftwareDistribution, which holds all the files that can now be safely removed to free up space. Step 6. Select all the files by clicking and dragging, then right-click and choose Delete, removing the outdated or unnecessary update files from your system. Step 7. Provide administrator permission if prompted, because Windows requires confirmation to modify system files, ensuring you have the right access. Step 8. Open the recycle bin and click Empty to permanently delete the files, which completes the cleanup and frees up disk space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.